Hi there everyone, welcome to Shisha Creative. Since I'm in the kitchen, if you're thinking today's video is going to be about cooking, no it's not. Today is going to be more of an informative video. Whenever I give a call to somebody or whenever I get a call from someone, we always end up in a conversation about how to build immunity. So we talk about a lot of food items, what we can cook, or what are the juices we can make to build immune system. But did you know about this simple method of building immune system? Yes, today we are going to talk about how storing water in brass vessels actually helps us to increase the immunity in our body and also how the hemoglobin level increases in our blood. Before we go into the details of health benefits that we gain from storing water from brass and copper vessels, let us see about the metals itself. So what are these metals? Copper is directly got from sulfide ores, but brass is a combination of copper and zinc. Copper is present in brass for up to 70% and zinc for about 30%. What are copper and zinc? Copper and zinc are two nutrients that are very much needed for the human body. So what does copper do? It actually strengthens the human bones and it also stimulates the brain cells to work better. And zinc increases the immune system of the body. These metals are still used in many parts of the world, but due to urbanization and modernization and actually the maintenance of these metals, because they are really heavy, it has brought a massive change in the process of cooking. But time always teaches us what is beneficial to us and what is not. When water is stored in brass containers for more than 8 hours, it helps to purify the beverage. The ions that seep into the beverage help kill the germs and other waterborne illnesses. The zinc content helps in building the immune system. Here are some health benefits of storing and drinking water from copper brass vessels. It boosts the performance of digestive system. Acidity or gas problem and constipation are very common stomach problems. Copper has certain properties that kill harmful bacteria and reduce inflammation inside the stomach. Drinking water that is stored in copper or brass vessel is a great remedy for indigestion, ulcers and infection. Helps to reduce your weight. If you are on a diet and eating rich fibrous food, you cannot guarantee that you will shed some pounds. But if you try to drink water stored in a copper vessel, you will see the results. Copper helps in breaking down the fat and eliminates it more efficiently. Helps in healing wounds faster. Since copper holds antibacterial, antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties, it helps in healing wounds faster. It also strengthens your immunity and helps body to produce new cells. It doesn't only work on outer wounds but make you stronger from inside out. It slows down aging. If the fine lines on your face are giving you stress, copper can be your natural remedy. As it has strong antioxidant and cell-forming properties, copper fights off free radicals and gives you smooth, younger-looking skin. It stimulates your brain. Our brain works by transmitting orders from one neuron to another. These neurons are coated with myelin sheath that acts as a sort of conductive agent that helps in impulses flow. Copper stimulates your brain and makes it more active. Increases hemoglobin in our body. The minerals in brass can also improve your hemoglobin levels and can help repair skin damages and regain a natural glow. Similar to copper, drinking water from brass vessels and bottles can improve your overall health and give you more minerals and nutrients. Another good thing about drinking water from brass or copper vessels is it does not change the qualities of the material that is placed in the container, whether it is food or water. Since we have spoken so much about water consumption from brass and copper vessels, we should also know the negatives. Water from these vessels should be consumed only once a day. Too much of this can have an adverse effect on your health also. There is a very famous saying in Tamil, Alavukku meerinal amirthamum nanju, which means elixir is poisonous in excess. How do we know that it is brass? How can we find out? Let's see. The real brass is really heavy, and this is just coated like brass. It's very light. The sound, it's more musical. This is aluminium coated with brass. The color is pale yellow. The coating would give you the same color, but when you scratch it lightly, you can see the ever silver or the aluminium that is beneath this. I hope this video was informative. Please leave your queries and your comments below. Subscribe to join our fam. Bye bye.